Final exam review question number 72. Be prepared to construct each of the following graphs. Frequency polygon. The data we're given refers to the heights of 45 male high school seniors, ranging from 64 inches to 72 inches, with how many of each are represented by that height. To construct the frequency polygon, we're going to need some graph paper, which I've got. We'll let the vertical axis represent the number of males, the frequency of males. We'll label that number of males. We'll let the horizontal axis represent the height in inches. And we'll label the entire frequency polygon as male high school seniors. Then let's label the vertical axis, starting with 0, and 1, 2, 3, and so on, with these numbers representing the number of male high school seniors. Then our height along the horizontal axis will start with 64, 65, 66, and so on, until we've included all the heights, which go up to 72 inches. Next, we're going to label or place a dot of each of the heights corresponding to how many senior males are that tall. At 64 inches, there are 2, so we'll put a dot there. At 65, there are 6. At 66, there are 9. 67, there are 've made a mistake here. 64, there are 2. 65, there are 6. 66, there are 7. 67, there are 9. 68, 10. 69, 6. 70 is 3. 71, 0. And 72, 2. To construct then the rest of the frequency polygon, we'll need to draw line segments connecting each of these dots. Starting with some arbitrary point on the horizontal axis, we'll draw a line segment to the first dot. Then we'll continue drawing line segments between each of the dots. When we reach the last dot, we'll connect that dot with some point on the horizontal axis again. Once that's finished, we have constructed our frequency polygon with the axes and the graph appropriately labeled.